here with Keith, who's a bit of an ambassador for York Region, if I may say so, as well as a partner at Skinopathy, which we've learned about this week in particular. Nice to see you, first of all, Keith, and hope your show's going well.
It's been phenomenal. Great seeing you again.
Yeah, likewise. We actually had a chance to chat in 2022 at the York Region booth, and here we are again. So before we talk about the work at York Region or with York Region, tell us a bit about Skinopathy.
Sure. So we help dermatology patients get the right treatment from the right doctor at the right time by providing doctors with AI tools to help them manage skin conditions better. And so that's what we do at Skinopathy, and I suppose what stands out about what we do is we have the world's only AI that works on your cell phone that will screen track and manage any skin condition clinically relevant, so at a doctor's level.
All right, so I have a suspicious mole. I don't know if it's a melanoma, something like that. I can use my phone through your platform to assess if it's a risk, and then if it is, you're notified, I guess, as a patient, and then you would show that information to your physician. Is that fair?
That is absolutely fair. We'll give you the analysis in real time. You get it right away, and you can now take it to your doctor, and we'll show them the analysis. But as you and I know, in Canada, there's a long wait time depending on where you are. And if you come through our platform, the wait time at most is 2 to 4 weeks. However, if we find something that's actually cancerous, we've done same-day removal of cancers in 4 hours.
Wow, that's really impressive. And I understand there are some communities that are more at risk than others. Can you talk to us about that?
Yeah, that's a great topic. One of the big challenges in medicine and healthcare is that people of color have been historically biased against. And so in a medical study that we did with a pharmaceutical company recently, we were able to show that we can assess dark skin tones, medical conditions on dark skin tones, when every single extensively trained dermatologist cannot. And so this really changes the game for people of color. We can finally help them assess different skin conditions. Imagine seeing redness on a black person's skin. It's really difficult to do, but our technology can do it.
And just to be clear, when we talk racial bias, it's not a real bias. It's just an extra obstacle or challenge that a dark pigment would have in order to assess any potential cancerous issue, cancer-related issue on the skin.
Yeah, it's not a systemic bias. It's tough to actually see it, and therefore I'm biased against.
Thanks for clarifying that. You said that much better than I tried to. All right, so Keith, Skinopathy aside, talk to us about your work with York Region. I know you're a huge ambassador for York Region. Tell us about your work there.
Yeah, born and raised and did all my business here, but I am the chair of the York Region Innovation Leadership Group, which is a community of entrepreneurs, enterprise leaders, and community members who essentially work together to drive better collaboration within York Region.
What would you say is the region's secret sauce? Why is it such a hotbed of talent?
I think the region, and I don't know if it's a secret sauce anymore, I think everybody knows, but we have a phenomenal history of entrepreneurship and innovation in York Region. Massive companies, massive innovation, all coming out of York Region, and what's great is we're all looking to collaborate and help and work together.
I've heard that several times this week, which I love hearing, and being a York Region resident and where my business is also headquartered, I can see that as well. There's just this je ne sais quoi. There's this sense of community and collaboration and entrepreneurship as well. So finally, what are you looking to get out of Collision this week? What's your MO for being here, if you will, and your partner?
Well, Collision has always been great for us. We've been here every single year, and every year we come, we find new partners, new investors, new customers, and of course people that just believe in what we're doing and want to work with us. So we want to continue doing that.
Fantastic, Keith. And the best website for Skinopathy?
Skinopathy.com.
All right. Thanks so much for your time, and have a great rest of your show. Great to talk to you again.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Cheers.
Cheers.